Okay, this is my review of the so-called Bladeless neck fan. And with the user manual, basically pretty simple. Plug the charge, USB on the other side. I bought a different model the other day to compare this one and the other one. I'll just review this one here for now. This is the size of it. It weighs, I don't know, a pound or so, maybe, like that. There's the little charging port. The on-off button is right there. It is quiet. I'll go ahead and turn it on. So that's the noise coming out. It does only blow air out of here and only to about here. You can see that those are false holes right there. So it has holes right there. It has holes on this side. No holes at the top. There's no air coming out of the top. There's no holes there to blow air out. And then on the other side also, it doesn't blow out the other side either. So you're only getting air out of here and here. That's the only place you're gonna. Says a cooling plate. It's just a metal plate. It says it's a cold steel plate, but if that puppy sits in the sun, it's not going to be cold. It has a little protective layer on it right now, but it is a little steel plate that says that gives you cooling effect on your neck instead of having it blow. The one that I bought the other day blew up here as well, and on the other side all the way around. So I think I like that one better, even though it's a little bit noisier, the other one. This one's more quiet. That's on first speed. Let me change the speeds here. Second and third. And off. It says it's bladeless, and the reason I question that and say that not really bladeless is if you look in here, for those of us with long hair, those are little blades that your hair will get tangled up in and hurt if it does. You can see them stop here as they slow down. So those are blades, and that goes around your neck. And those of us that have unruly hair that goes all over the place, that will get stuck in your hair. So I'm going to be rating that based on where it says bladeless neck fan, and apparently, obviously, this is not bladeless. And also the fact that it doesn't blow all the way around on both sides like my other one does. That was actually cheaper than this one, and the other one seems a little bit better made than this one. I don't know if you can see the name of it. Jolassy is the name brand of this. Also, my other one, you can twist here. You can twist this so that you can point the air to go down or up. This one you can't twist, and the book even says don't twist it. The book also says to watch that your hair doesn't get tangled in there. And the book also says, another thing that I don't like about the way this charges is you have your charging indicator light. That's right here. I'm not going to plug it in right now because I don't have a plug near me, but when it's fully charged, it turns blue. When it's charging, it's red, but it says do not overcharge or you'll cause damage to the battery. But there's no charge level indicator. It just gives you a random time of 3 to 5 hours. It doesn't tell you how far down the battery is, how much battery life is. It doesn't have like, maybe there would be like 5 dots that would tell you as the dots go down, the battery level going down. This doesn't give you that. So you have no way of knowing how much battery life you have left, and also how much left you have to charge it so you don't ruin the battery on it. And it was quite expensive. So wouldn't want to damage it. being I would not buy this if I wouldn't have been a Vine reviewer, because for that I would have been probably returning it, because for $44, I don't know if we're allowed to say the price. Yeah, I wouldn't have bought this, or I would have been returning it, because it's not exactly what I was expecting. All right.